Chapter 2, Relations and Functions. Relations. What is relation? A relation are from set A to a non-empty set B.
सब कुछ दिख रहा है.
Okay. A relation R from a set A to a non-empty set B is a subset of Cartesian product A cross B. So relation is a subset of Cartesian product A cross B. The subset is derived by describing the relationship between the first element and the second element and the second element of ordered pair. The second element ये जो second element है is the image of first element. The second element is image of first element. Let A कोई set है 1, 2, B is a set A, B. So what is the relation? Relation is a Cartesian product of not Cartesian subset. Cartesian product भी होगा और उसका subset भी होगा. That is called the relation. So relation is relation is subset of A cross B. So A cross B is what I write subset is derived by describing the first and second element of the ordered pair. So 1, A, 1, B, 2, A, 2, B. Okay. Now, so how many n cross AB? Number of elements in Cartesian product 2 into 2, 4. So number of relations is 2 to the power 4, that is 16. So number of relations कितने बनेंगे? 16. Domain is the set of all first elements of the ordered pair in a relation R. रिलेशन के अंदर जो ऑर्डर्ड पेयर हैं उसका फर्स्ट एलिमेंट इज कॉल्ड द डोमेन. द सेट ऑफ ऑल फर्स्ट एलिमेंट्स ऑफ द ऑर्डर्ड पेयर इन रिलेशन R फ्रॉम non-empty set A to B is called domain of relation R. Now what is range? The set of all second pairs, the set of all second elements of the ordered pair in a relation R from A to B is called range of relation R. Range of relation R. Now, what is codomain? All second element is called codomain, या called set B is called codomain. Set B is called codomain. Okay, so there is one set A is 2, 3 and B is CD. So what is the relation A cross B is 2, C, 2, D and 3, C, 3, D. This you can show by a arrow diagram. This is A, this is B, A and B. This is relation in A set 2 and 3 and C and D. So what is the domain? Domain is the first element of the ordered pair. Here domain is 2, 3. Range is C and D, element of second set, and codomain is equal to C, D, second set. So codomain is a range is a subset of codomain. Range is a subset of codomain. Exercise 2.1. Question first. Let A be the set 1, 2, 3 dash 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 14. Define a relation R from A to A. Define a relation R A to A. Set A भी A है, set B भी A है. By R is equal to x, y such that 3x minus y is equal to 0, where x, y belongs to A. Write domain, codomain and range. Write domain, range, codomain. So write it now. This is 3x minus y is equal to 0, or you can write 3x, or you can say that 3x is equal to y. Now what is the relation? R A set कहां तक है? 1 to 14 तक. Okay, और 3x minus 3x is equal to y. So elements in R is 1 to 14. तो range बनेगी, relations बनेंगे x. If I take x is equal to 1, if I take x is equal to C here 1, तो 3 into 1 is equal to y. Y कितना हो गया? 3. If I take x is equal to 3, तो y is equal to 6. If I take x is equal to 3, y is equal to 3 into 4 is equal to 12. If I take x is equal to 4, so if I take x is equal to 3, so it is 9. If I take x is equal to 4, it is 3 into 4, 12 is equal to y. If I take x is equal to 5, it is 3 into 5 is equal to 15. 3 is equal to 5 into 15. But 15 is not there, so we will not consider this case. We will not consider this case. Now, if I put x is equal to 1, y is equal to 3, x 2, y 6, x 3, y 9, x 4, y 12. If I put x is equal to 5, it is 15. So 15 is not in the set A, so we not considered it. So domain is the first elements of the set. So domain is equal to 1, set of first elements in the ordered pair 1, 2, 3, 4. What is range? Second elements 3, 6, 9, 12. Now what is codomain? Codomain is the second set. What is the second set? Second set is same 3, 6, 9, 12. So this you can represent by, this is also set A and this is also set A. So this is the question number 1. Now I will solve question number 2. Question number 2. Define a relation R on the set N. N is a natural number. N is a natural number and R is defined to you ordered pair x y such that y is equal to x plus 5, where x is a natural number less than 4, where x is a natural number less than 4, x y belongs to N. This set is given to, this is a relation given to you in set builder form. So depict a relation in roster form. You have to find relation domain and range. Domain and range you have to find out. So x is less than 4. So what is the relation? If I put x is less than 4, so if I put x is equal to 1, then y is 1 plus 5 is 6. So 1 comma 6. If I put 2, then y is 7. If I put 3, then y is 8. So it is less than 4. So x is less than 4. So this is the relation. So what is the domain? Elements of first set 1, 2, 3. What is range? 6, 7, 8 is the range. Question 3. If A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 5, B is 4, 6, 9, define a relation R A to B by R is equal to XY. Difference between XY is what? Difference between XY is odd. X belongs to A, Y belongs to B. Write R in roster form. Write R in roster form. You have to write a relation in roster form. See here, R is ordered pair x y. एक्स वाई का डिफरेंस क्या आना चाहिए? ऑड आना चाहिए. साइन से कोई मतलब नहीं है. सो फर्स्ट आई विल टेक 1. 1,4 is odd, 1,6 is odd, 1,9 is not odd, और 1,1 भी होगा. 1,1 is not odd. Only odd you have to write. 1,4, 1,6, 1,43, 1,65, 1,9 नहीं है. 2,4, 2,6 नहीं, 2,9, 3,4, 3,6 नहीं, 3,9 नहीं, 5,4, अब 5,4, 5,4, 5,6, 5,6 and 5,9. So this is the relation R. Now I will take question number 4. Question number 4. The figure shows a relationship between P and Q. P figure.
Sir.
Yes. P figure and Q figure. Wait.
Doubt है.
5, 6, 7, 3, 6 is related to 4, 7 is 5. This figure is given to you. Write this relation in number 1, set builder form, second, roster form, and what is domain and range? Domain and range. Now what is the set P? Set P क्या है? P is 5, 6, 7, and what is Q? 3, 4, 5. So you see that 5 minus 3 करेंगे तो क्या आ जाएगा 2, 6 minus 4 करेंगे तो 2, 7 minus 5 करेंगे तो क्या आएगा 2. सो सेट बिल्डर फॉर्म में जब रिलेशन लिखेंगे ऑर्डर्ड पेयर एक्स वाई कैसे बनेगा, सच दैट x माइनस वाई जब कर रहे हैं तो क्या हो रहा है 2 हो रहा है, वेयर x एंड y, x बिलोंग्स टू p एंड y बिलोंग्स टू q, और x और y क्या है नेचुरल नंबर है. दिस इज द सेट बिल्डर फॉर्म. नाउ रोस्टर फॉर्म आर, write the first element and this is second element in the ordered pair 5, 3, 6, 4, 7, 5. This is the roster form. Now domain. First element of the ordered pair 5, 6, 7. What is range? Second element 3, 4 and 5. So this is range. Question number 5. Let A is given to you. Set 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. And R is the relation defined. Ordered pair AB such that A, B belongs to A, and AB is exactly divisible by A. B is exactly divisible by A. You have to write R in roster form. सेट बिल्डर में दिया हुआ है, you have to write in roster form. Second, domain of R. Third, you write range of R. First, roster form. See here, R is equal to पहला ऑर्डर पेयर क्या बनेगा, फर्स्ट एलिमेंट B, सेकेंड एलिमेंट किससे डिवाइड होना चाहिए फर्स्ट से. सो 1, 1, 1 डिवाइड बाय 1. सेकेंड एलिमेंट B इज एग्जैक्टली डिविजिबल बाय A. नाउ 1, 2, 2 भी 1 से डिवाइड होगा. 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 6. नाउ यू टेक 2, 2. Now B is exactly divisible by A. So 2, 4, 2, 4, 2, 3 नहीं होगा. 2, 4, 2, 6, 2, 6, 3, 3, 3, 4 नहीं होगा. 3, 6, 4, 4, 6, 6. So these are the elements divisible by. Second element is divided by first element. See here 4, 1, 6, 1, 2, 2, 4, 2, 6 2 से डिवाइड हो रहा है, 3 3 से हो रहा है, 6 3 से 4 4 6 6. Now what is the domain? Domain of R. First element of the set. What is the first element? 1 2 3 4 6. What is the range? Range of R. Second element 1 2 3 4 and 6. Same ही है. Domain and range are 1 2 3 4 6. 1 2 3 4 6. Now I will take question number 6.
Sir,
Yes. Yes, you can ask. Question 7. Question 6 first I will do question 6. Determine the domain and range. Relation R defined by determine domain and range. R is given to you. R is given to you x comma x plus 5 such that x belongs to 0 1 2 3 4 5. 0 1 2 3 4 5. Now what is the domain? Domain is the first element of the set. So whatever the x, that is domain. So domain is equal to 0 1 2 3 4 5. What is range? Range is second element. So how will you find second element? Putting the value of x here. 0 रखेंगे तो क्या आ जाएगा? Start with 5 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. This is the domain and range. Now question number 7. Question number 7. Write relation R. Write relation R such that R is equal to x x cube. X is a prime number less than 10. Less than x is a prime number less than 10. किस में लिखना है? रोस्टर फॉर्म में you have to write in रोस्टर फॉर्म. So x क्या है? प्राइम नंबर क्या है? लेस देन 10. प्राइम नंबर कौन से होते हैं? 2 3 5 7. These are the prime number less than 10. So relation क्या बनेगा? If I take x is equal to 2, तो सेकंड क्या बनेगा? 8. If I take x is equal to 3, 3 का क्यूब 27, 5 का क्यूब 125, 7 का क्यूब 343. So this is the roster form. Question 8. Question 8. Let A is given to you x, y, z. B is given to you 1, 2. Find the relations from A to B. R you have to find A to B. Find the number of relations. You have to find number of relations. So if we first find the Cartesian product A cross B. First we find the Cartesian product A cross B. So it is x, 1, x, 2, y, 1, y, 2, z, 1, z, z, 2. So number of elements in A cross B is equal to 6, 2 into 3. Now number of relations is equal to 2 की power n is 6, 2 की power 6 is equal to 64 relations बनेंगे. Now last question number 9. See here, let R be a relation on Z defined by R is equal to given to you A comma B such that AB belongs to Z and A minus B is an integer, is again integer है, नेगेटिव भी हो सकता है, integer. A minus B is integer. Find domain and range of relation R. So domain of R, domain क्या होएगा? कोई भी दो इंटीजर सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे, इंटीजर लेंगे तो वापस क्या आएगा? इंटीजर. जैसे 2 minus 3 minus 1, 3 minus 2 1, क्या आ रहा है? इंटीजर आ रहा है. पहला नंबर इंटीजर है, कोई भी ऑर्डर्ड पेयर का 1, 3, 2, 3, 4 को, तो फर्स्ट एलिमेंट्स ऑफ डोमेन होता है सेट का, वो क्या आ रहा है? Z इंटीजर आ रहा है. रेंज भी क्या आ रहा है? Z आ रहा है. दिस इज द